Tokyo Ghoul 8, 9, and 10. I didn't do it last 3 weeks because I couldn't, and chapters were fine. Uh, Interesting things happened. I'm going to mention just a few of them, and I'm expecting the next chapter tomorrow, so that one is going to be a full review, and this few chapters will be little small things that I find interesting in them, and they were okay, and we didn't learn so much, but we learned some stuff. The great things was that uh, Sasaki thinks that Arima and Akira are his father and mother, and he knows that. I don't know. He knows about Kaneki, but he knows that the S-rated ghoul is SS-rated ghoul is inside of him, and in the final page in the chapter 8 we saw the Aogiri's tree rabbit, and that was pretty good. All three chapters ended great, but each chapter in the start was development, some sort of. We saw that the final member of the squad is girl Psycho, and she is some sort of neat, something like that. We're going to learn more about her in next chapters, and Shirazu is now new squad leader. Uryu isn't anymore, and in the last page of chapter 9 and chapter 10 we saw Toka-chan, and that was exciting for me, and we saw her beauty and some Sasaki thoughts that was describing her. He like he knew her, but Sasuke doesn't know. But some parts of Kaneki in him showed him that she's nice person and something like that. And all three chapters were pretty good, and I hope for next chapter we are going to see development, what will happen in cafe, and what will now the squad is full, and uh, what will the squad think of. They know that he is lying when he touches his chin, and I'm interested in development in that squad because I think Uryu is shady in some sort of way, and everybody there is some not that honest and try to fucked up the whole squad, and I want to see what will happen there, and that's all I am hoping. Tomorrow we will see the next one, and I hope it's going to be really great, and that will and that's for that before the Christmas. Thanks. Bye bye.